Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Today, I want to give you guys a brand new sneaker unboxing and a YouTube first look at the 2018 Air Jordan 13 He Got Game. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am the first channel on YouTube to have the first look of the Air Jordan 13 He Got Game, and I wanted to do the world premiere today live on the Shoemanati Show. Keep telling you, I'm top 5 and they all Dylon.
Dylon, because I spit hot fire.
Even though YouTube is shadow banning my channel from getting views and promoting me, I'm still going to rise on this platform.
Believe me.
So, before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. If you're new here and it's your first time watching, welcome to the channel. You should consider subscribing.
Bitch, what?
And if you're regular and you always pull up every time I drop a new video, shout out to you. And of course, shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. With that being said, let's get right into the sneaker unboxing, guys. It's the Shoemanati Show. Lego. It's grown, bitch. Oh, so like I said, these sneakers came via of the plug, man. Shout out to the plug, cause he always be coming through and just showing love, making sure I'm getting these drops and I'm hitting it first. Because you know how YouTube is. If you don't get it first, ultimately you will not get the views. And I want to make sure I hit first on these. These are grails for me. I remember being a kid, young, watching He Got Game. Like, shout out to Ray Allen and Denzel Washington. I remember watching that movie and I fell in love with these sneakers off that movie alone. This is paying homage to these sneakers. These haven't released since 2013. And let's get right into it, man. Screw all that talking. Hope everybody out there is doing good, man. It's hotter than a motherfucker in Atlanta, but that's just how it is sometimes, man. So of course, let's get rid of that, because who gives a fuck about a box? You got that OG treatment. They have the silver Air Jordan box from back in the day. Take a look at your label. And of course, this is the Air Jordan 13 Retro. This is a size 10. The official colorway is white, true red, and black. The suggested retail price is $190. And these release on August 25th, 2018. Or as of right now, that is the rumored release date. So let's open these up and let's get right into it. And this is the Air Jordan 13 He Got Game. So let's quickly go over some of the aesthetics of the sneaker. This sneaker was created to mimic Michael Jordan's nickname, the Black Cat. They always said Michael was as fast as a Black Panther, so they wanted to give it that Black Panther touch. You can tell by the outsole of the sneaker, which is a panther paw. You just got that black and white hits with your red. You got that carbon fiber shank plate at the bottom. With your green, that's the panther's eye. With your Jumpman symbol. Of course, you got hits of white as well as black on your midsole. You got a full white and black tumbled leather upper. The leather qualities on these is pretty nice. It's not super premium like you would expect, but it's decent. These are definitely nice, especially that tumbled leather on the tongue where the symbol is. That is just butter, like really nice. Just definitely better quality than 2013 version. These are definitely worth a cop. Like I said, August 25th, these are rumored to release. And if you get to pick these up, I definitely recommend you grab these. These are grail. These are not going to sit on shelves. These will sell out. So if you want these, you better get your hands on them fast, because you know resellers are coming for these. Fire. Definitely recommend you pick them up if you get a chance to. And this is the OG Air Jordan 13 He Got Game. These are clean, man. OG grails. I remember when these dropped in 1998. I was 11 years old, and I still get that same feeling that I got back then, just the nostalgia when you see these and you first pull these out the box. These are a grail. Every real sneaker collector has to have these in their collection. This is a must cop. But let me know down below, do you plan on copping these sneakers? Are you picking these up? Is this a must for you? Is this a pass? Maybe later if they go on sale. Let me know in the comment section down below. And let me know if you enjoyed this video. Throw me a like if you did. Shout out to everyone who always takes time out of their day to just support me and watch the content. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm always glad to be on camera, have fun, and clown with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
You got no line at your booth.
Sneaker YouTuber.
You got no line at your booth.
Sneaker YouTuber.
You got no line at your booth.
Sneaker YouTuber.
You got no line at your booth.
Sneaker YouTuber.
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.